Hey guys, we've had a pretty busy day till now. We've been working, editing, we had a few meetings to tend to, and now we're finally heading out because we were super hungry and we had to tend to laundry. So let's go.
Plus, we actually got extremely tired yesterday.
Yeah.
It was a lot of kilometers after a lot of days.
So I was quite happy when we got a mail for today's meeting. I was like, yes, we get to sit and work.
It's been quite busy. That is for
So we found the place. We are here. I don't know the name. It says laundry service right over there. And they're giving clothes. Will be they're saying that it will be done by tomorrow 4 p.m. So that is great. That's better than what we've read online till now. So we're done with that part. Now let's get some food. I'm really hungry. Almost what, 4 p.m?
Yeah. Laundry was quite easy.
Yeah.
This market is pretty empty.
For Sunday, right?
For Sunday, yeah.
No place is closed. Hey, online it shows open.
No, it's because of COVID it's closed.
Ah,
That place is closed.
good. We'll find some
Now-
other good place. We're just walking around now just to see what else is there. Because the places that we wanted to go to are mostly closed now.
We go to Momo Cave, so we are going to Momo Hut.
Till the time it's open and we get momo.
Here?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Alright. Looks like a good place.
Namaste. So there are some reasons that show that this place is really good. The first one is that we can spot it from far behind, and second one is that there are a lot of people in here, which means and proves for us that it's a good indicator. And the third thing is that it's TripAdvisor certified. So I'm happy about that.
Momo Hut special link. Non-veg.
Look at that! That's really sizzling. This looks so amazing. It makes me so happy. This looks so amazing, right? It's really attracting attention towards our table. This looks really, really good, and it sounds really, really good.
Sounds a little bit dangerous, you know.
Yeah, it does sound dangerous, but in a very appetizing sort of a way.
I don't know how you do it. I'm like, leave it for half an hour and then I'll try it.
This looks really nice, and I'm really excited to try it. This is the special sizzler, special Momo Hut sizzler.
It has veg momos and chicken momos.
So that is really, we'll get to try two kinds of momos, and also this is Nepali style momos. So I don't understand the difference right now, but I know once that I'll have these, we'll know the difference. Everything we know. Let's quickly dig in.
It's kind of stuck to the plate.
Start with this.
Try it. Hot? You can try the Coke.
This is really good. Wow. This is very different. This is veg one.
Yeah.
Interesting. I like the non-veg one better. The veg one tasted a little bland.
So we're done with that. It was amazing. But now it's time to walk around this place, explore it a little and find something else.
The place looks really, really nice. It's all lit up.
Yeah.
So we like that. This looks so beautiful. Everything looks so delicious. Wow.
मेरा 3 दुकान है इधर।
यहाँ पे
हाँ, हमीरपुर।
बहुत सही, बहुत सही।
वो तो देख के लग रहा है.
यहाँ
Feel like having everything that you've made over here.
Here we go your latte,
Wow.
and I will make it this the pineapple Danish. We have a fresh pineapple inside.
nice.
So then I will make it all warm. Then you will love it.
They also have Wi-Fi and amazing food, so really looking forward to it.
Two hours later.
I feel super sick, and that's why I've ordered a lot of food to heal me. This is some thukpa.
It's
and
the
it
cold
looks
that
really
got
nice.
over.
Yeah,
And the tightness, I
and
guess.
the tiredness, and I feel feverish, and I feel pain in my entire body.
And her lips started to bleed.
Yeah, is it bleeding?
Not now.
Yeah, so all of that is happening.
We've ordered in today.
Yeah, we've ordered in, and also I got some herbal tea, and Nikhil got some masala tea.
I was like, if you're ordering stuff,
Then
Why
why
not?
not? Cheers.
cheers.
Love you.
Love you. Alright, that sounds great.
They also have white wine, water,
No white.
ambience, water.
Wi-Fi.
You said wine? Oh,
I don't have my wife. Only Wi-Fi.
no, I heard white wine.
No, no. Wi-Fi.
I was like, okay, that's different. Okay, so yeah, that happened.